Hi guys and welcome back to another cool video, and today I will be telling you that how you can install Minecraft on PC. Now this will be the full version of Minecraft and not any trial version, so trust me, this is a genuine video. Like and share this video with all your Minecraft freaks and let's get started. First up, go to the first link in the description. It is the original website of Minecraft. Download Minecraft launcher for your PC by clicking on the download option. After that, just install the Minecraft launcher by following the steps. Once the installation is complete, just go to this website known as mcleaks.net. Click on the Authenticator tab and download it for your OS. After downloading it, open and choose the MC Leak server. After doing it, go back to the website and now click on Get Account tab. Verify yourself as a human and you will see your alt token. Copy the alt token and paste it in the place of username in your Minecraft launcher and write anything as your password, and that's it. We have successfully cracked Minecraft. Relax and play the game, and I will see you in the next cool video. Peace out.
I wake up early in the morning, make a gas leap. It's like I'm in the nether cause I can't sleep. In case you got amnesia, man, I want that blue stuff. I got my iron pick with a fortune buff. I'm at white 12 baby cause that's where it's found. I'm so freaking low-key that I'm underground. I got big dreams of tearing at some big seams, so time to grind and hit the big leagues. Yeah, I mine all day, I mine all night, I mine non-stop till those diamonds are inside, and I mine all stone till I'm all alone.